Welcome back, young mathematicians. Today, we have a fun challenge. Nikhil wanted to measure the length of a table, but he didn't have a meter ruler. So, he thought of another way. He used a piece of ribbon instead. Nikhil stretched the ribbon along the table and found that it matched the table's length exactly. Later, when he found a meter ruler, he decided to measure the ribbon. Here's what he discovered. The ribbon was 1 meter and an extra part. What could be the length of this extra part? Take a moment to think. How could Nikhil figure that out? Pause the video and think about it. Then, turn to your partner and discuss. Share your thinking. What would you do? Let's hear some ideas in a moment. Alright, let's see what some of you came up with. Priya, you said we should compare the extra part with the 1 meter part. But how could we do that? Rohan, you think we should cut the extra part and check how it measures against the 1 meter part. That sounds like an interesting idea. Let's give it a try. We will cut the extra part and check how many times it fits into the 1 meter part. We place it next to the meter stick and repeat the process. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Wow! The extra part fits exactly 4 times into 1 meter. What does this tell us about the length of the extra part? Take a moment to think. If 4 of these extra parts make 1 whole meter, how much is just one of them? Turn and talk to your partner for half a minute. Exactly, Tina. The extra part is 1/4 of a meter. Interesting question, Kartik. We know that when we have 1 whole meter, we simply write 1. But here, we only have 1 for equal parts of the whole meter. Mathematicians have a special way to write this. We call it a fraction. We write 1/4 like this. The 4 at the bottom tells us that the whole is divided into 4 equal parts. The 1 at the top tells us that we are taking just one of those parts. So, the extra part of the ribbon is 1/4 of a meter, and we write it as this. Can you find something in the classroom that might be 1/4 meters long? Think, explore, and share your ideas. See you in the next lesson.